I just got back from a thrifting haul, but instead of showing you one of those vases full of jewelry, I got bags full of drawer hardware. So I'm going to show you what I got today. And then after that, I've got my work clothes on. Obviously, I haven't gotten ready for the day. I'm going to go out and do some sanding. I have this great place where I can often find used hardware. And if I'm lucky, it comes in sets. And so I'm going to show you what today's haul entailed. Okay. Well, first off, here, I'll open them up. I have to dig through the drawers to find whole sets, but I saw this one and then I saw another one, and by the time I was done, I found about, I don't know, 14 of them. So I think they're cool. They've got this textured detail on them, and I found 3 longer pulls that match with it. Now, am I going to be able to use 3 pulls on a particular item? I don't know. Let me see if I can find them. Where did they go? Here they are. Okay, I won't take it out of the container, but I have 3 of these, and they have that same textured detail. So, you know, I might find a dresser where it has a single big drawer and I use 2 of the pulls, or maybe I use 1 on the top and then 2 on the next one, and some of these. So it will just depend on the piece. But I thought those were really cool, and they were each marked for $3 each, which would be pretty pricey, frankly. I have 12 of them, so that'd be $36. But this place always gives me a deal, and so they charge me $1 each, which if you've ever bought any online, that's a great deal too, because these are quality pieces. Okay, I did also find 2 or 3 of the same ones in black. Now, I probably wouldn't put them on the same piece, but again, I thought they were cool, and it's harder for me to find black pulls, so I snatched those up. Okay, the next one was just loose, and you know, these are sort of garden variety, but I like them. They're that, I'm going to call it a brushed nickel, and it just has a nice modern simple design. So I bought 6 of these. He said they were 50 cents each, but honestly I don't remember. In total, when you see everything, I think I paid about $45, which for 6 or 7 sets of hardware is pretty darn good. So I got 6 of those. And then there was a bag of these, I guess I'd call them bronze. Some of them have ever so slight marking on there, but they're just beautiful as is. And what I like about these is that it's just an unusual color. So if you don't want to go with silver or gold or black, this gives you a nice option. So again, the bag had, I don't know, about a dozen of those. I'm looking forward to using those on the right piece. And then what else? Oh, I found these, forget what they're called. I always forget the name, but I want to say barn door. But basically they're those half oval pulls, and I usually see them in like a brushed nickel. But these were black, so there were just 2 of them. I decided to go ahead and pick those up as well. Then I found 1, then 2, and then as I kept digging, I ended up finding 6 of these. These are, you know, the very basic, but again, I like a clean, modern line, so I got those. And then the last thing that I got, let's see here, I'll take this out so we can see them, are these little round button pulls. How many of those did I get? I believe there are 4. And you know, I'll be able to mix and match these. I could potentially use them with this textured one. I could maybe get away, yeah, with using it with this silver one. So these are just nice to have on hand for little knick-knack cabinets and small things that only have, you know, 4 or 6 little drawer pulls. So all in all, it was a great haul. As I said, I think the total was around $46. And I can't wait to find out what I'm going to use them on.